What if I told you that some of the world's wealthiest people didn't build their fortune from salaries alone, but through the stock market? You might be wondering, what exactly is the stock market? Is it only for financial experts, or can beginners invest too? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the stock market and how it works. Whenever we hear the words stock market, we often imagine green and red numbers, fast-moving charts, and professional traders. But the truth is, the stock market is much simpler than it seems. Let's start with the basics. What is a stock? A stock represents a small ownership share in a company. Imagine a company wants to expand its business. Instead of borrowing money from a bank, it can raise money by selling shares to the public. When you buy one of those shares, you become a small owner of that company. Now let's answer the next question. What is the stock market? The stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. Think of it like a marketplace. Instead of buying clothes, phones, or groceries, people buy and sell ownership in businesses. Now you may be wondering, why do stock prices go up and down? The answer is simple: supply and demand. If more people want to buy a company's shares, demand increases, and the stock price usually goes up. If more people want to sell their shares, supply increases, and the stock price usually goes down. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you buy a company's stock for $100. A few months later, the company performs well, and the stock price rises to $150. If you sell your share at that point, you've made a $50 profit. But if the company's business struggles and the stock price falls to $70, you'll lose money if you sell. That's why the stock market offers opportunities to make money, but it also comes with risks. Now let's talk about another important term: dividend. Some companies share a portion of their profits with their shareholders. This payment is called a dividend. So, besides earning money when a stock price rises, you may also receive regular income simply for owning shares in certain companies. Now, the big question: should everyone invest in the stock market? The answer is yes, but only with knowledge. Never invest just because a friend recommends a stock, or because you saw it trending on social media. Always do your own research. Learn about the company's business, its financial performance, and its future growth potential before investing. Another common mistake beginners make is putting all their money into a single company. Smart investors don't do that. Instead, they spread their investments across different companies and industries. This strategy is called diversification, and it helps reduce risk. If you're just starting, long-term investing is usually the best approach. History has shown that people who invest in strong companies and stay patient often achieve better returns over time. Remember, the stock market is not a magic machine where you invest today and become a millionaire tomorrow. Success comes to people who keep learning, make informed decisions, and stay patient. So today, you learned what a stock is, how the stock market works, why stock prices move up and down, how investors make profits or losses, what dividends are, and why research and diversification are so important. If you want to learn more about investing and personal finance from scratch, make sure to subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll cover how to start investing in the stock market, step by step for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.